Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. As I'm sure you've told by the title, I am moving to London today. I've just basically finished packing and I'm just waiting to kind of go now. My mum's taking me to the airport, very luckily, but I am stressed, I'm nervous, I'm excited, I'm scared, I'm sad, I'm all of the feels. And anyways, and some of you might ask, why would I leave beautiful New Zealand to move to London? Basically, for me, the lifestyle here is just not what I want at this point in my life, and the London lifestyle is what I want for myself. I mean, it's personal choice, so you don't have to live with it, I do. But yes, I'm catching a flight at 2 o'clock this afternoon. It's now like 10-ish in the morning. And then I arrive in London on the Saturday morning at like 6 a.m. So yes, this is like so intense. Like, it's weird, I've been traveling so many times before, but I think because this is like this is like the big move, I'm honestly not terrified, but like, you know, a bit like I'm making this life commitment. But yeah, that is what's going on. I'm sorry this is a bit of a frazzled introduction to the video. Welcome to moving vlog 1, I guess, by the way. You'll see after this the process that I've taken over the last week to basically get ready to move. And then I will do like moving vlog 2, which is basically going to start from when I'm at the airport and going into self-isolation and all of that fun stuff, and hopefully finding a flat soon. No, I don't have a flat or a job yet, but I have things in the works. I've buddied up with some lovely girls, we're gonna find a flat, and I've also signed up to a recruitment agency looking for a job. So that's what I really feel like I need to say. If you are excited or enjoying this so far, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I would love to have you here as part of the channel, and yeah, let's get moving. Good morning everyone. So I presume I will have done a separate intro for this because I don't want this to be my intro. Excuse the hair, I'm about to wash it, but I'm just having my breakfast, and I assume that you know by the title that I am moving to London. So this is the start of the moving vlogs, and right now I'm leaving in about a week, so it's Thursday and I'm leaving next Friday, so more or less a week, and I'm about to make a list of everything that I need to do before I go. Hashtag stressful, but I just wanted to vlog the process, so here we go. I don't know what else I need to do. Okay, so this is what I've come up with so far. It doesn't seem like that much when you actually write it all down. Like, in my head I was like, oh my god, it's so overwhelming, I have so much to do, but now that I've written it down, I kind of like feel like it's achievable. But I'm sure there'll be other things that pop up that I can add on. But yes, so this is basically going to be the process of me getting to leaving. Oh, I just thought of 2 more things I need to write down, which is my COVID-19 tests and all that stuff. Good morning guys. I am wearing the same top as in the last shot because it is my pajama top, and I just got up, but it is like 7 a.m. here. I mean, you can't even see that, but it says 7 a.m. And I'm up early to do flat viewings because it's 8 p.m. in England right now, so most of the people want to do like the virtual viewings in the evening, which means I have to get up early here to do them. Struggles, but you know, that is the sacrifice that you make when you want to move to England. I just viewed one and it was all good, but it was like the room was a bit small, but it did have storage under the bed and a big wardrobe. But I don't know, the girls just seemed a bit like but they said they've got lots of other viewings anyway, so I'm not too worried. And then I've got another viewing shortly. I'm just waiting for them to message me for a room of the same price but a bit bigger, so hopefully that one is a go. Oh, my shoulder. Ooh. But then I'm gonna go back to bed if I'm tired enough, otherwise I'll just continue on with my day. Hello everyone. Oh my god, I thought it was my hair, but it was the plant. Hello everyone. I haven't really done much today, except for cut the hedge outside, which was a job that I had to do to help my mum before I left, which at least that's done. And I was planning to film a video this afternoon, but I'm honestly so tired because I was up so early this morning. But I am going to start on my closet, which means my room is going to be a tip for the next 3 days. But we'll see. And yeah, I'm currently just cooking dinner, making some tandoori tofu, like butter tofu curry, and I'm very excited. Like butter chicken, but like with tofu and tandoori paste, because it just gives it that next level vibes. Just taking some antihistamines before I start decluttering because hello allergies. They suck. Hashtag drowned rat life. Quick hack to put any like ceramic or like glass things like this that you're packing in socks. This is another little skill thing here, and I've got these two little star things which I'm also going to put in other socks, you know. Double duty, protects them a little bit, and yeah. Okay, so far I've got this little bag, and this is all like the delicate like breakable things, and they're all in some random socks. I will probably add to that eventually, maybe put my perfumes in, but I'm going to move on to the closet behind me. It's not actually that bad because I've mainly got like jumpers, then it's like tops, bottoms, like underwear and sleepwear, and then some jackets on this side. But yeah, that is the plan. Okay, so my current plan is I've got these like quite big packing cubes, so my plan is to pack most of my clothes into these 3 large ones, like on my tops, pants, skirts, etc. Then I've got another slightly smaller one, which I'm not sure what that's going to be for yet. And then I've got this little one for my underwear and socks. So let's shove it all in. Alright, I've made some progress. It's kind of hard to see. So most of the stuff that's still in here is either just like staying here or being donated, or thrown away. I've got like a ton of like old socks and underwear and stuff down there. I didn't realise how many old socks and underwear I was harbouring, and this is what it has so far come to. So the bottom one there is tops and dresses slash play suits. Then this one ended up being like some bottoms, like skirts and pants, and then sleepwear and activewear. And then I've got some underwear. I mean, actually this is mainly socks and bras and a little stick-on bra thing there. Then I just have all these clothes which are going to be my like clothes that I wear in the next week slash kind of when I get there, which I'm going to put in my carry-on. So far so good, but I still have like jackets and stuff to organize. Like my room is just an absolute mess with just stuff everywhere, but it's progress. Progress is happening. Currently just having a lunch break. Leftover pasta, looks a bit black, but it's like creamy mushroom pasta. Welcome to the packing camp. So, you know those like packing cubes I showed you earlier? They looked quite small, didn't they? But this is the bag that I'm taking. Sorry about the lighting. And they take up like almost 2/3 of the bag, which is okay because that is actually majority of the stuff and the rest of the stuff is going in my carry-on. But still, I didn't realise they took up that much space. I'm a bit worried about my jackets and stuff that I want to bring. But luckily the rest of the stuff is kind of not that big, and I'm probably going to end up having to wear my biggest jacket on the plane, like onto the plane. I'll obviously take it off after I'm on there, but yeah, I don't think it's going to fit in this bag, but good thing is that I've got 32 kilos I think in terms of weight, so it shouldn't be a problem. But yeah, I'm just feeling a bit concerned about the amount of space, because I also want to bring these towels, this throw, and those pillowcases. Sorry Mum, if you're watching, I will vacuum that up later. And then these things can slot in the side pocket here, so that's fine. But yes, it has kind of begun, but I'm feeling accomplished. I feel like I've done some stuff today, and you know, I've got 5 more days, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, to finish everything on my to-do list. So let's see how that goes. Good morning. It is the last day of my yellow top. The last morning, well, tomorrow is technically the last morning, but like my last full day here. So first thing I have to do is laundry. How exciting. Okay, so I'm just having my breakfast, some Marmite on English muffins, and I've got a smoothie there. And I'm just checking over all the last things that I have to do. Yeah, there's just a few bits, but yes. Hello. So it's the afternoon now. My friend came round just before to hang out, and like we just had lunch and chilled for a while, and I kind of did a bit of packing while she was just chilling. Because that's like the last time I'm going to see her in so long. But I'm kind of like feeling a lot of stress at the moment, and I had coffee this morning, which I know that I shouldn't have because I know it like worsens any stress or anxiety that you already have, but I'm just trying to breathe through it. I've rewritten my to-do list so that's like really clear and concise, so I've just got it like this now. Oh god, you can't even see that. Hello. Sorry, I think it's too overexposed. There we go. So I'm just going out this afternoon and shortly, but I don't have much to do. But I'll just show you the packing situation. So this looks like a ginormous mess. So that was from the other day. I did most of that, and then over here, so I'm taking that one as my carry-on, that backpack. And I've got a bunch of other stuff on top of it that I'm taking in carry-on. Some of this is going to be carry-on, where I'm putting all my clothes in that packing cube. Then I've got a random household bits, and then my passport and like visa stuff in the middle. I've got some shoes, jumpers and jackets. And then this is mainly like tech and other makeup that I don't like need to take in my carry-on. Perfumes as well as ointments, #eczema. So I need to get all of this into these 2 bags, and then in my room there's not that much that I still have to pack. I've just got my toiletries here, so I've got the little liquids bag, and then this is like the non-liquid stuff, and a few other bits that I kind of need tonight, but / tomorrow morning, but then I'm going to have to pack after I use them. Then over here, yeah, like I still have my laptop, a voucher for a restaurant that I need to give to my friend, and just random bits and bobs. This probably can go down, and then like hairbrush and stuff again that I'm using in the morning. and like old, I don't know, cards and random things there that I need to give to my mum. This can come down. These can come down. Yes, so that is a situation. Help! Hello, I apologise for the terrible downlighting, but I'm just way too tired to hold the camera up, so you're just on a chair right now. And it is about 6:30. I've been up since like 5:30 because I basically like couldn't sleep despite the fact that my flight is not till 2. But yeah, I've just got some last minute packing to do. I don't think I showed yesterday, but this is kind of where we're at. So I've got a few like techie things that stuff need to go into the carry-on bag, and then all of this clothes is also going in there, and a couple of shoes. But I'm going out for breakfast with my mother, and then I've just got to go to the bank as well. And right now I'm going to check in as well as fill in my passenger locator form, which is what you have to fill in when you go to the UK. So yes. Okay, so this is what we've come down to. This is the main check-in bag, and I weighed it. It's about 26 kilos, so that's good. And then this is my carry-on. My water bottle is on the back there, and then I also have this little pouch, which is my in-flight essentials pouch, and my face mask. And then my phone is over there. But yes, it's everything. It's my life. Send help. So quick little outro for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for making it to the end. And I'll be sharing heaps about life in London once I'm there, settled, how to move, all of the stuff, as well as hopefully getting to travel a bit as well in the UK eventually for summer. We're going into summer there now, so it's exciting. But yes. Okay. Bye.